3 Best Corn Syrup Substitute. As a candy maker, I am aware of the amount of sugar I put in my confections. While that's already a lot, I bank on the many studies and medical reports that corn syrup contributes to obesity and other health issues more than any other sweeteners can. So while I use it from time to time, I make sure it's only in very small portions. Plus, I have found many alternatives that make many treats corn syrup free without missing its properties at all. Here are the best 3 corn syrup substitutes that I've had so far. The best corn syrup alternative. Corn syrup is used differently in different recipes. As such, it is important to know its purpose before choosing its alternative. Here are the best ones you can try for your various treats. 1. Sweetener substitute. Corn syrup doesn't really alter the flavor of any confection, it just adds more sweetness. If your recipe calls for this ingredient as a sweetener, you can use a homemade simple syrup as replacement. For light corn syrup substitute, dissolve 1 cup granulated sugar in 1/4 cup of warm water. For dark corn syrup substitute, dissolve 1 cup packed brown sugar in 1/4 cup of warm water. 2. For candy making substitute. As you would have already known, corn syrup is widely used in candies because it interferes with the crystal formation when sugar liquefies. It keeps the candy from having a grainy texture. If your recipe calls for corn syrup for this purpose, here are other ingredients you can use in its place. Golden syrup, lemon juice, cream of tartar, baking soda, date honey, birch syrup. Depending on the recipe, check which of these ingredients with obtrusive properties will work best as a substitute. 3. Flavor enhancer substitute. While corn syrup may not have a distinct flavor, it's surprisingly used in many recipes, not as an interfering agent but to add flavor. For this purpose, you may use any of the following. Agave nectar, brown rice syrup, light molasses, maple syrup, malt syrup, sorghum syrup, cane syrup,